Travel Likes Me has designed a set of compression travel organizers ideal for long trips. These cubes are crafted from 210D nylon ripstop with PU coating and a waterproof finish, lined with 210D thickened polyester for extra durability. These organizers are expandable between 7.5 to 9.5 centimeters, providing versatile packing options using the additional chain section for customized space management. Segmented compartments allow you to organize your travel clothing easily. Waterproof design ensures your belongings are protected from moisture, both inside and outside the cubes. Each cube comes with two-way 3F zippers and one premium webbing holding strap for easy access and carrying. These travel cubes are perfectly suited for long holidays, providing ample space and organization to enhance your travel experience. Carry your essentials in style and convenience.